Engine failure during takeoff roll. Throttle idle. Brakes apply. Flaps retract. Mixture idle cut off. Ignition switch off. Master switch off. Engine failure immediately after takeoff. Airspeed 60 k's. Mixture idle cut off. Fuel shut-off valve off. Ignition switch off. Flaps as required. Master switch off. Engine failure during flight. Restart procedures. Airspeed 60 k's. Carburetor heat on. Primer locked. Fuel shut-off valve on. Mixture rich. Ignition switch both. A start if propeller is stopped. Emergency landing without engine power. Airspeed 65 k's. Flaps up 60 k's. Flaps down. Mixture idle cut off. Fuel shut-off valve off. Ignition switch off. Flaps as required. Squawk 7700. COM notify. Master switch off. Seat belts. Harnesses secure. Doors unlatch prior to touchdown. Touchdown slightly tail low. Brakes apply heavily. Engine fire during start. Cranking continue. If engine start. Power 1700 rpm. Engine run a few minutes. Engine shut down and inspect. If engine fails to start. Throttle full open. Mixture idle cut off. Cranking continue. Engine secure. Master switch off. Ignition switch off. Fuel shut-off valve off. Aeroplane evacuate. Fire extinguish. Using extinguishable blanket to dirt. Fire damage inspect. Engine fire in flight. Mixture idle cut off. Fuel shut-off valve off. Master switch off. Cabin heat and air off, except wing root vents. Airspeed 85 k's. If fire continues, increase glider speed to extinguish. Forced landing execute. Proceed with emergency landing without power. Electrical fire in flight. Master switch off. Vents, cabin air heat closed. Fire extinguisher as required. After discharge, ventilate. All switches off, except ignition. When fire out, investigate. Master switch on. Circuit breakers check. 440 circuit. Do not reset. Radio, electric switches on. One at a time. Land as soon as practicable. Cabin fire. Master switch off. Vents, cabin air heat closed. Fire extinguisher activate. After discharge, ventilate. Land as soon as possible. Wing fire. Nav light switch off. Pitot heat switch off. Side slip to keep flames away from fuel tank and cabin. Land as soon as possible. Flaps keep retracted.